Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do DIY stickers. So the first thing you need is color pencils. The next thing you need is index cards. You can also use printer paper, but I'm going to use index cards because I feel like they're heftier. You can use eraser, color pencils, and you're going to need tape. And also scissors, but I forgot to put. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just drawing out my stickers. I don't really have printer ink right now, so I can't really print any out. But if you prefer that, you can print yours out. But I'm just going to draw mine and then I'm going to color them with the color pencils.
I'm so far away from you. I don't wanna let you down. What am I supposed to do? It's been 3 weeks at least now since I've been gone, and I don't even like the road. I'm just on the radio. And I'm not gonna tell you that I'm over it, 'cause I think about it every night. I'm not sober it. I know I keep these feelings to myself. Like I don't need nobody else, but you're not the only one on my mind. If I'm being honest, if I'm being honest, you said I should be honest, so I'm being honest.
Now here I'm just going to be cutting them out, and you want to make sure that each of them have a little border, little frame around it, because if not, it won't work out and you won't be able to stick the stickers. Next thing you're going to do is grab the parchment paper, which I think I totally forgot to mention in the beginning, and you're going to put tape on top of that. Then after that, we're going to grab the stickers, and I already put them on tape, and then we're going to put it on top of the tape you just put, as you can see. Then we're going to cut them out, and likewise the same thing. You're going to add a border around it so then we can be able to peel it off.
I'm so far away from you. I don't wanna let you down. What am I supposed to do? It's been 3 weeks at least now since I've been gone, and I don't even like the road.
If you guys like this video so far, please hit subscribe or check out my LifeAsAndrea page on Instagram and Facebook, which will be linked down below. Alrighty guys, and now we just peel and stick. Alrighty guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this easy tutorial, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah!